Right, Fenlanders. Natty Nana got a puncture in her eye, go look. Just kidding. Last few days we have spent working on this. I haven't done any much filming, so I decided I've got to do some filming. We managed to get the pin out, wheel off, pin out, and Grumpster's now just doing some work on the pin. Farmer Palmer was here yesterday, helped us get it all out. We've come up with a solution to this problem. There's a bit of wobble in there, no wobble in the top, but it wobbles at the bottom. So this wheel is doing that, and it's not good. Simple solution, simple fix, and an easy fix is to put the pin in, weld it up, put the plate on, clamp it down, weld that up, won't move. They got the engineering right on the top, absolutely perfect, and then just didn't bother with the bottom. So it is a big old pin. So there's a cap that goes on top of the pin, and the cap fits in top side there, and then nothing moves, so we're all good. Yeah, hopefully that hasn't got to come off, and hopefully that hasn't got to be bored out, and neither is that, and welded up. So Grumpster is playing with his pin. Giggity goo. So we got some bolts snapped in there. He's got the one out from the bottom, haven't you?
Yep.
Now you just got to get the one out from the top.
And I have the evidence.
You have the evidence? Oh look, it's broken.
Try this.
You know how to work these cameras, don't you?
No problem.
Keep talking to the camera.
What are you gonna do?
Go over again. Come in. Say that. You know what else you've got to do, Dad, as well? You've got to measure these bearings and measure the inside of them. Make sure they're not totally worn out.
Well, I've got a bearing off, so I can put one in there.
Yeah.
If there's any burrs in there, just get that hammer and then just get that attack.
So you're good?
I think so, probably, yeah. On that.
Hey!
What were you using?
Do what?
I just want to knock it about a bit just to see where.
Farmer Palmer.
How's that out the bottom?
This is the top, I think, isn't it?
This is the bottom.
Oh yeah, it's 4 and 3 in the top, isn't it?
Saw it move. Let it cool down.
Cool. I'll leave you in the capable hands of Grumpy Grandad. You can tell everyone what you're doing. Talk to yourself rather than listening to the cack on the radio.
Talk to myself.
Asking yourself for expert advice.
No sensible conversation I have most days.
Yeah. Cool, I'll go and get my hearing aids moved. I'll go check in first.
What do you do with that bloody camera? I'll say. He's turned the bloody music quiz off.
Turn the music quiz off? Yeah, you can't have music on while you're filming. That one turns it on.
Okay.
That one turns the filming on.
Is it filming now then?
It's filming now with the red light flashing. Yeah. Those blue gloves are crap, aren't they?
Yeah. Brilliant.
Hey Fenlanders, another day, another dollar. So, we are going to cheat.
Well, not really a cheat.
No, not really a cheat. No, so we got the pin out, we got the pin in the lathe, we're now gonna go weld it up and then
Turn it down. Try and turn it down.
And hopefully that'll tighten us up how we want it. Have you measured that then?
No.
No.
I don't know how I can get in there to measure it. Well,
Yeah, like that, okay.
I've got some calipers there, but how do you get them out once you... But like I said to Martin, I said I can weld, I can put some welds in there and I can grind that down. Probably.
I don't know if you need to worry about it. I think if we're going to do a cheap fix, let's do a cheap fix, you know. But
well, why not do it as good as we can?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I appreciate that. Yeah, no, do it as good as you can. I mean, the only thing you can do is
in there. If I make a bracket to hold on the top there, I can keep dropping the pin in and trying it in.
You can drop it in from the bottom.
Drop it in from the bottom.
Yeah. Don't laugh. Put it on the fork and just push.
Yeah, well, it'll be fitting the wrong way round then, won't it?
Yeah, but it's not tapered though, is it?
Yeah, well, it's not worn as much here as it is back up here.
I would just get the Dremel and clean that out, and then, like you say, weld that pin up and drop it in and see if it fits snug, and leave it at that. Once it's in there snug, won't it?
Well, it won't fit snug until I build this up, because that's where it's worn.
Yeah. Well, you can do.
I'll try and measure it. I'll build the pin up for a start and then go from there.
Yeah. Cool. Right. Weldy, weldy. So we're going to weld this up. Grumpy Grandad's going to turn it down.
The cutting mask is in here.
Alright, cool.
Brand new one. Sink proper.
I don't know if that'll stop the weld going.
It'll be better than that. You filming?
But
You filming?
yeah, why not? Oh, you got something you want to say to your fans?
I don't know why this is not smoother than this. It's very stiff. That's smoother.
Have I got to weld a bit tighter than that? Do you think just
Hang
top?
on a minute. Let me just measure that for a start. I didn't measure it. I can't measure it very well. Do what? No, it's pretty good there where you've got it. So it wants to be about 3 mil bigger than that. I think it was 90 mil.
Well, the hole.
The original when I measured it right back back here. Look, you can see that lip.
Yeah. 90 mil would be about right, wouldn't it?
You can't imagine why they would make it 90
One.
mil and 3/4, would you?
Yeah.
It's a start, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'll have to get a different.
Yeah, you're gonna have to get one with a square almost.
You get there's a can of water behind it.
I'll get out of your way. Turn that puppy down.
Oh, that cool down a bit.
Yeah, before you start doing any work.
It'll harden it.
Huh?
It'll harden it if I do it too much. Might want another ring round there, right?
Huh?
Might want another ring round it.
Maybe that must be pretty close to being 2 or 3 mil bigger than what it was.
Soon find out. We've got this screwed up, haven't
You have this technology.
we? Yeah, that's bigger.
It's loads in it. Right. Nick!
I think I'll get the grinder on that one a bit. Lump, food lumps.
I heard a pigeon in the shed somewhere.
Oh, shut up.
The trouble is, you just get this turning nicely, nice smooth, and all of a sudden you have to go jerk.
My welding's fine. It's
That's the turning.
so you've got that going right slow, I bet, haven't you?
I had it on.
You don't want it too slow, do you?
Huh?
You don't want it too slow, do you?
The slowest it will go is...
You can add change your tip on there anyway, because that will.
Yeah, well, I can do most of it.
You got to go over that with a. Don't hurt yourself. You're going a bit faster than that, isn't it?
That's as slow as it will go,
Right.
unfortunately. If it was about half that speed,
With half that speed,
you could weld it nicely, yeah.
Turn the wire speed up.
Watch that earth bolt sticking out. You don't catch that on your...
Yeah, yeah, I'm going to take it off.
Yeah, take them off before you.
Should have used that, shouldn't I?
Yeah.
I am going to find my internal calipers and measure the inside of that steel, because this might not need all turning off. Might be good. I'll find out. Back in a minute. So there we go, folks. I've turned that pin down. I've had a bit of a measure up on the harvester, and I'm going to leave it at that for now. I'm not going to turn it down to the original size. And I've made myself a bracket to fit on the top, so I can sling a chain on it, and then we've got to dangle it in there and see how it goes. This is always a good motto.